The shadow of a tower standing on a level ground is found to be 40 meters longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degrees than when it is 60 degrees. Same tower, the shadow formed when the angle of sun's elevation will be 30 degrees and 60 degrees, that we have to calculate. So here the tower, this is the level ground, this is the tower. At this one, the shadow will be formed. To form the shadow, the sun rays should cross this point, right? At 30 degrees and 60 degrees are the two sun's altitude. That means at the different positions, different time duration. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
shadow of the tower standing on the level ground is found to be 40 meters longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degrees than when it is 60 degrees. This is the tower. Now the rays are falling from this side. To form the shadow, the ray should move from this direction and fall straight on the ground, right? So here, once this is formed at one angle, and the second one, it is formed when it reaches this way. Now, which is 30 and which is 60? This is 90. So as you move away, what happens? Slowly angle decreases, right? So this is which one angle then? This is 60 or 30 then?
60.
60.
This is 60 and this angle will be
30.
30. As you move away from 90, angle decreases slowly. So 90, then in your decreased values, 60, then 30. Clear? Now the shadow is, AB is a tower. BC is the shadow formed when sun's altitude is 60 degrees. And BD is the shadow formed when the sun's altitude is 30 degrees. So when it is 30 degree sun's altitude, the shadow is 40 meter longer. That means this shadow, this BD distance is greater than BC distance by how much? 40 meters. So BD minus BC is 40. So BD minus BC is which distance? Which distance is BD minus BC?
CD.
CD. So CD is 40 meters, right? Now what we have to calculate? Height of the tower we have to calculate. If this is 40, consider BC as X and consider height of the tower as H. So height of tower, that is equal to AB, that is H meters. Take BC as X and CD will be 40 meters. Now we have to use two triangles. Trigonometry. So first we will use it for 60 degree ABC triangle. Triangle ABC, angle C is 60 degree. So therefore we have to use tan 60 is equal to H by X, right? Opposite by adjacent. So tan 60 value is root 3 is equal to H by X. So H is equal to X root 3. Equation 1. Now we have to use the second triangle. Triangle ABD. Angle D is equal to 30 degrees. Tan 30 is equal to H by X plus 40. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to H by X plus 40. X plus 40 is equal to H root 3. Substitute the value of H as X root 3 into root 3 is equal to X plus 40. So X plus 40 is equal to 3X. 2X is equal to 40. X is equal to 20. And we have to calculate h value. H is equal to x root 3. That is equal to 20 root 3 meters. Substitute the value of root 3. 20 into 1.73. 34.6 meters. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Try this question. Yes, how to solve this? The angle of depression of top and bottom of 8-meter tall building from the top of multi-story buildings are 30 degree and 45 degree. So both, this is a tall buildings, top and bottom both are at depression. That means a multi-story building at higher height, more height, right? Because looking from the top of that building, the second building, this building, 8-meter tall building, will be at depressions. Both top and bottom are at depressions. This is a multi-story building. It should have the more height, and this is a 8-meter tall building. This is 8-meter tall. This building's top and the bottom is at depression from the top of this building. So depression will be from the angle made with the horizontal line. So top is at a depression of 30 degree and the bottom is at the depression of 45 degrees, right? So from this point we have to draw the horizontal line to make this angle, to get this angle. This is 30 degree and this is 45 degree. Alternate interior angles are equal. Clear? AB is a multi-story building. Height we will consider as h. CD is a building, tall building. Height is 8 meters. This is 90, 90, 90. So this is, if you consider point E, then CEBD is a rectangle. BDCE is rectangle. So therefore opposite sides are equal. Distance between them we will consider as BD. BD is the distance between two buildings. So now here BD is equal to CE, that is equal to x, and CD is equal to BE is equal to 8 meters. This is also 8 meter. This full height we have considered as h. So how much is AE distance then? How much is AE?
H minus 8.
H minus 8 meters. So this is h minus 8. And this is x. CE is x. So use AEC triangle. Angle C is equal to 30 degrees. So use tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to h minus 8 by x. 1 by root 3 is equal to h minus 8 by x. X is equal to root 3 into h minus 8. Okay, leave this. Now take triangle ABD. Angle D is equal to 45 degrees. So therefore tan 45 is equal to AB by BD, that is h by x. 1 is equal to h by x is equal to h. So in this equation substitute anything. Here this is equation 1, consider this is equation 2. Now substitute x and h are equal. So we have to calculate both. H also we have to calculate, x also we have to calculate. We'll find out any one of them, we will substitute. Here x value will substitute as h. H is equal to root 3 h minus 8 root 3 h minus 8 root 3 is equal to h. So 8 root 3 is equal to root 3 h minus h. Root 3 minus 1 h common. So h is equal to 8 root 3 divided by root 3 minus 1. Further, how to simplify? Now,
Rationalizing.
rationalize it. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. 8 root 3 into root 3 plus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 4s is equal to h. So h is equal to 4. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 plus root 3 is the height. And x is also the same. X also equal to 4 into 3 plus root 3. Substitute the value of root 3. 3 plus 1.73. 4 into 4.73. 4 3s are 12. 18.92 meters. X is also 18.92 meters. Clear? Are you able to see? Or very small?
It's okay.
Note down then properly. It's done. Have everyone written down?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
From a point on the bridge across a river. So that means from one end to other end of the river there is a bridge. The angle of depressions of banks on opposite side of the river are 30 degree and 45 degrees. If the bridge is at a height of 3 meter from the banks, find the width of the river. So can you draw the diagram and show me? Can you show the diagram? Only 4 students' video is on. Now video is not on,
Ma'am?
they will be out of the class.
Ma'am,
Yes,
is the answer 14.196?
I think so. I'm not done. Show me the diagram. In video you can show me. I can see everyone. Yes, Akshay. Yes, right. Yeah, fine. But whatever the distances you have shown up, you have to show it below. Others didn't get. From the point on the bridge, the river is flowing in this area. So that means it is coming here, flowing like this way, right? So over that there is a bridge. From the point on the bridge, the angle of depressions of two banks, opposite banks. So this angle and this angle. One is 30 degree, another one is at 45 degrees. Okay. Are you able to understand? AB is the river, width of the river. It is flowing in this direction, like this. This is a bridge is present. A point on the bridge, that is point P. The angle of depressions of two banks. A is one bank and the second one is another bank. It is at a depression of 30 degree and 45 degrees. If the bridge is at a height of 3 meter from the banks, so bank is here. So from here, this height is 3 meters. This one or this one or this one, anything. Okay. Now we have to calculate the width of the river. So here to here is the width of the river. If we consider point Q at this position, so PQ will be also 3 meters. This is 30 degree. This one is 45 degrees. We have to calculate AB distance. Distance AB we have to calculate. So first AQ and QB find out. Consider AQ as x1, QB as xt. So width river is equal to AB, that is equal to x1 plus x2. So here we have to use for triangle APQ. Angle Q is 90 and angle A is 30. So use tan 30 is equal to 3 by x1. 1 by root 3 is equal to 3 by x1. So x1 is equal to 3 root 3 meters. And triangle BQP, angle B is 45 degrees. So tan 45 is equal to 3 by x2. 1 is equal to 3 by x2. x2 is equal to 3 meters. So AB is equal to x1 plus x2. So 3 root 3 plus 3, that is equal to 3 into root 3 plus 1. So substitute the value. 3 into 1.73 plus 1. 3 into 2.73. 3 3s are 9. 3 7 21 2 6 8 8.19 meters. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Akshaya, what happened? Your answer was somewhat wrong. You have done the same thing, I think, right? Right?
Ma'am, I did an addition mistake.
Okay. Have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then open textbook. Nine 9.1 exercise.
Ma'am, NCRT.
Yeah, NCRT. Page number 203. Page number 203, exercise 9.1, first question. Start solving. First, you're finishing NCRT, and there are 72 questions, 74 questions in RD Sharma. All you are solving. So, first, one by one, we will solve. Beginning are easier ones, solve. After that, I will keep on solving. Continue with the first question. Circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope, is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole to the ground. Find the height of the pole. If the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degrees. Yes, Kritika, what's the first answer?
Ma'am, the height of the pole is 10 meters.
Yes, right. See the second question. A tree breaks due to storm and broken part bends so that top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle of 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where top touches the ground is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree. They're asking the total height of the tree, not only the broken part. So this was the actual tree. This is the ground. From this part it cut breaks. So this upper part reaches the ground. Here it falls down like this way. The top of the tree touches the ground 8 meter away from the foot and makes an angle of 30 degree, right? So you have to calculate the total height of the tree. So total height is, we will consider this part is h1, this part is h2. So this h2 and this is same. So therefore both are same h2 distances. Clear? A, B, C, D. AB is equal to BD, same part of tree. That is equal to h2. BC is h1. Angle BDC is equal to 30 degree. CD is equal to 8 meters they have given. Then we have to calculate both h1 and h2. So which ratio we have to use? For finding h1, which ratio we need to use? Revti? For finding h1, which ratio we need to use? Yes, Revti? Sin, cos, tan. Which one? Revti, are you able to hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So how to find out h1? Which ratio we have to use
Hello.
for which ratio we need to use for finding h1?
We can use tan.
Yes, tan value. So tan 30 is equal to h1 by 8.
Ma'am.
Yes, 8 will go this side. 8 by root 3 is h1, right? We'll place it as it is. After that, if it is needed, we will rationalize. Then for h2, Roshita, for h2, which ratio we have to use? For finding h2, which ratio we need to use?
Ma'am, H2.
Yeah, to find h2, which ratio, trigonometric ratio we need to use?
Cos 30.
Cos 30, right? Cos 30 is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So there will cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 h2 is equal to 16. H2 is equal to 16 by root 3. Now the total height is h1 plus h2. 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3, which is equal to 24 by root 3. And now rationalize here. 24 root 3 by 3. 3 8s. So this is 8 root 3 meter. And substitute the value of root 3 and multiply. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Then go for the next question. Third one. Till question number 5, single triangle is there. From 6 onwards, you have two triangles. Third one done.
Ma'am, is the answer 3 meter and 3.46 meter?
3.46. Everyone got the same answer? Yes.
Yes, ma'am, 3.46.
That's right. Fourth one, fifth one. Done 5 questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then 6
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
1.5-meter tall boy is standing at some distance from the 30-meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30° to 60° as he walks towards the building. So what is the first original position? From that, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. When he walked towards the building, the angle of elevation changes to 60 degrees. Find the distance he walked towards the building. So how much distance he has walked towards the building, that we have to find out. So here a tall building, 30-meter tall building. This is the ground level. This is a 30-meter tall building. A boy whose height is 1.5 meter. From original position, the angle of elevation of top of that building is 30°. When he walks some distance towards the building, this will remain 1.5. Then angle of elevation changes to 60 degrees. Right? Clear? Diagram clear? You have to calculate how much distance he has walked from this to this distance. Initially, he is at position B. Now he is changed to position D. So we have to calculate BD distance. We'll consider that as X. Now ABCD done. This is PQR. So PR is the height of the building. That is equal to 30 meters. AB original position of boy. CD new position of boy. Okay, so what we have to calculate, this is 90, this is 90, these are all 90s. This is X, that means AC is also X. BD is equal to X. So AC is also equal to X. Now DR we'll consider as Y. This is also Y. Okay. Now this is 1.5. So QR is also 1.5 meter. Then how much is PQ? QR is equal to CD is equal to AB, that is equal to 1.5 meter. PR is 30 meters. So what is PQ? PQ is equal to
28.5.
30 minus 1.5, that is 28.5 meter. So this is PQ is 28.5. Now use ratios, trigonometric ratios for finding y and x distance. Actually, we have to calculate x distance. So first PQC triangle, tan 60 is equal to 28.5 by y. Root 3y is equal to 28.5. Y is equal to 28.5 by root 3. Then next triangle, triangle PQA, tan 30 is equal to 28.5 by x plus y. 1 by root 3 is equal to 28.5 by x plus y. X plus y is equal to 28.5 root 3. Y value we have, x is equal to 28.5 root 3 minus y. 28.5 root 3 minus 28.5 by root 3. So LCM is root 3. So multiply here with root 3, that is 28.5 into 3 minus 28.5 by root 3. So this will be 28.5, 3 minus 1 by root 3. Now rationalize. 9.5 to the 19 root 3. Substitute value of root 3. X value. Substitute the value of root 3. 1.73. Find the final answer. It's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Simplification properly. Done. Then continue the seventh one. Continue doing seventh one. Still anyone facing problem, not able to understand how to do? Here every question is different. You have to understand the situation and form the diagram. And as many as questions you can solve, then only the concept will be clear. Clear, Jayant?
Yes, ma'am.
Done? Have you done? Seventh question?
Yes, ma'am.
Not done? Kritika,
Done, ma'am.
continue. Sixth. Revati, done?
Ma'am, do we have to like solve the 20? Like, do we have to write it in terms of 1.73?
Yes. Yes, right. You have to write in terms of multiply. Root 3 value you have to substitute every time. Which question you have reached? Rohit, which question?
10th.
10th one. So fast. Okay, Anish.
Ninth.
9th. Rohit Krishna. Rohit. 8th one. Okay, Mayuka.
8th one.
Roshita.
Ninth one.
Janvi.
Ma'am, 10th one.
Okay. Amina. Jessica.
Ma'am, I'm in the 8th one.
9th question.
Janit. Sharad.
Ma'am, 8th one.
Sharad. 9th. Ardrika.
Ma'am, 9th one.
Dikshita.
Ma'am, 9th one.
Distinct prime factors क्या होते हैं? The number of distinct prime factors of two largest four-digit number.
Amina, can you show eighth one how to do? Amina. Are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I'm there.
How to do eighth one? Can you show me the figure?
I'm still doing it, ma'am. 1 second.
I'm still doing only 2 questions. Second question, 6-1 done before 20 minutes, 20-30 minutes. Show me how much you have done.
मम्मा 22 का divisibility rule क्या है? हाँ?
Amina, what's going on? This means you are not solving anything. Am I right?
Ma'am, I'm solving.
I don't think so. Other students have read 12, 13 question and you are still solving the 8th question. Are you fooling me? And anyone who are solving, they didn't get the answer, they immediately ask the teacher. Teacher is not asking them whether you are solved or not. That's your responsibility. If you are not getting that, ask teachers. You are not here to waste your time and even my time.
Ma'am,
Yes, Bhavya?
I have a doubt in the 10th question.
Two poles of equal height are standing opposite each other on either side of the road. That means on both the sides of the road, two poles are standing, poles are erected, and they are of equal height. So this is the road. On the opposite side of the road, two poles are there. This is one pole, this is the second pole. Both height is same, equal height. And this road is 80-meter wide. From a point between them on a road, anywhere, they are not given midpoint, anywhere on this road, suppose at this position, the angle of elevation of top of poles are 60 degree and 30 degrees. So from this point P, the angle of elevation of top of the both the towers will be 60 degree and 30 degrees respectively. Find the height of the poles and the distance between the point from the poles. From either of the points, you have to find out the distance of this. So AB is one pole, CD is second pole. We have to calculate BP or PD distance and H. So we'll consider this as X. If BP is X, then what is PD?
80 minus x.
80 minus X. Poles will be 90 degrees. So in this triangle ABP and CDP, we have to use tan values. Tan 60 is equal to H by X. X is equal to 20 meters. So P is at a distance of 20 meters from B and 60 meters from D. And then H is equal to X root 3. Height
20
of the
root 3.
pole is equal to X root 3. That is equal to 20 root 3 meters. Substitute root 3. 34.68. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
how to do the 16th question?
We have reached 16 question. 15th you have solved?
Yes, ma'am.
The angle of elevation of top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and the same straight line with it are complementary. So those two angles are complementary. They have not given the angles, but they have told that is those are complementary angles. This is a tower on the same straight line. There are 2 points. Angle of elevation from these 2 points, the top of towers is this one is elevation are complementary angles. So one considers theta, then second angle will be, this is point A, this is point B, and this is PQ is a tower. So A is at a distance of 4 meter and B is at a distance of 9 meter from Q, from the base of the tower. The angle of elevations are complementary. So if this angle is theta, then angle B will be
90 minus theta.
90 minus theta. Now use PQA triangle. Height of the this tower we have to consider as H. So tan theta is equal to H by 4, right? And second triangle PQB. This angle is 90 minus theta. That is then tan 90 minus theta is equal to H by 9. Tan 90 minus theta is, what is tan 90
Cot
minus
theta.
theta? Cot theta.
Cot theta.
Cot theta is equal to H by 9. Tan theta into cot theta is
1.
tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1. Tan theta is H by 4. Cot theta is H by 9 is equal to 1. H square by 36 is equal to 1. H square is equal to 36. H is equal to 6. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the answer of the 12th one?
Twelfth one is 7 into 4.73. 7 into 4.73. 29 point something. Your homework, you're solving first 10 RD questions. RD Sharma, only one exercise is there. First 10 questions you are solving after completing NCRT. And tomorrow maths class will be there from 2 to 3. Do you have a class tomorrow? School class? It will get over by 1, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
tomorrow
ma'am.
class will be there from 2 to 3. Maths class.
Ma'am, our class gets over at 2.
So you can join immediately for 1 hour.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then you can leave. And by tomorrow you are finishing those 10 questions.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, which test is there
Thank
this
you,
week?
ma'am.
This week, yes. Adi Sharma, trigonometric identities, solved questions. Any questions from solved? There are, before exercise, there are solved questions. So questions from that.
Thank you,
Adi
ma'am.
Sharma, identities, only identities. And science test, metals and non-metals. Saturday, metals and non-metals.
Ma'am, on Saturday.
Saturday, Adi Sharma, Saturday evening 7 o'clock, metals and non-metals test. Okay, and Sunday morning, trigonometric identities, RD Sharma solved questions. Only solved, no questions from exercise.
Okay,
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.